Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves, his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast. Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast.
Well, good morning, traders. Happy Friday to one and all. Hoping that it's going to be a nice green Friday. Bit of a non-event at the moment, guys. Very tranquil so far this morning. Waiting for something to happen. Take a look at how the market is performing today. Pretty flat the last couple of days as it happens. Very flat yesterday. At the slightly up actually. At the up and down with red comment. A little bit yesterday. Gapping up slightly, but not a huge amount. We're 0.3. Very sideways. See what the market brings us in over 90 minutes. Bit of audio issues. There's the 8 o'clock algorithmic scrum. That works. That better? Looks, it appears to be okay on my system on the studio OBS and everything else, but you tell me, is it dropping in and out on the audio? Sorry about that, guys. Okay. We'll try a different microphone. What about TikTok? Is that the same, guys? Microphone. Okay, is that working better? Does that sound better? Is that better? Let me know. If that's working better, I'll keep it on that one. If not, I'll bring it back. Yeah, well, it's my camera audio, so seems to be a YouTube issue. Yeah, I think it probably is. So let's go back to that one and click on the property. See if it's working properly now. That should be better. Okay, if it isn't, we'll struggle on through. Struggle on through. Okay, let's get that green. Well, there you go. It's the same feed, Alistair, so it must be a YouTube thing. If the audio's good on TikTok, but it's posh on YouTube, stream setting. Oh. Strange.
Well, we can alter that. Drop the voice up 100%. We can drop the desktop audio slightly. Problem. Get off. So keep it at that for now. Hey, not that anybody wants to listen to my voice anyway, but hey. Okay, so where are we? Top gapper today. Hey, second top gapper. I third top gapper. The idea. You have Nouveau, which is an IPO yesterday. Old core Nouveau Group. Worth getting involved with right now. Oh, see, CTMX moved up earlier, but it's down. It's over $5. Patience is the name of the game. So, walk with me says AXTI is a scam. Why'd you say that? Walk with me. You don't? As far as I'm aware, it reported earnings this morning. Last night earnings. Reported earnings last night. Oh, I don't know why you're saying it's a scam. Reported better than expected earnings after hours last night. Why it's at trading higher. Or the VWAP at the moment. Delete the history. I'm pretty sure that the SEC would have things to say about that. That was the case. Have a look at the SEC filings, but no, I didn't, Jack. I didn't trade any options. I didn't take any strangles last night. I just wasn't feeling it. Had a look at Apple, and I would have had to have got about 8% movement to, and I didn't feel it. So. And I was right, as it turns out. It moved 6%, so I'm glad I didn't take that. Otherwise, I would have lost some money. Yeah, I wouldn't. I did like your experience with that walk. I mean, it looks like you've got a bit of a bum steer from whichever broker that you had. But yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the balance sheet. I'm looking at like a scam to me. It's a genuine company. It's not a very good company. It's not making much at all. They produce compound single element semiconductor substrates, wafers. They're a silicon chip provider. Get involved in the manufacture of something. So, not a great company for the balance sheet, but 41 million float. 5% short. Normally does about 2.5 million shares on a daily. It's done 1.3. So don't see anything screaming scam on this one to me. It had earnings yesterday, and that's why it's up. But you know, I'm just a fat guy on the internet. What do I know? Sounds like you got burnt and you're a little bit bitter about it. Breakout on next. Why is everybody shouting? But with the caps, the only thing that should have caps is the start of a sentence and the nouns or tickers ever. But with the caps in the chat, headache. Just you, Mike. Not worth fighting home about right now. So we'll just wait now. It's patience time. Art of patience. And I was speaking with a trader this morning, and being able to do nothing, the art of doing nothing is a very difficult skill to master, and it's a skill on its own. When you're waiting for a stop, a signal, or you're looking for a pattern, you're looking for a trade to set up, doing nothing is actually very difficult. And that, in most cases, is what causes people to waiting for that one stock to move, waiting for that one setup, all your criteria. It's not you don't see it coming in advance, so you end up taking a subpar trade and doing the art of doing nothing. Very real skill in trading. Learn to sit on your hands. EBS, the perfect example yesterday. I took a few trades that I shouldn't have took yesterday, and was pretty much just shy of break even. And EBS came along and not just over goal, but price goal. Morning, Oscar. Roll call. Who do we have in the chat today? Alberto, good morning to you. And Lisa, always the first to arrive. Usually Lisa is first and then Alberto, but Alberto got there this morning. Mike, always one of the first three. Dude, how you doing? Morning, Neil. James B. Thanks for the warning on the choppy audio. Hope it's a lot better now. And Walk With Me, good morning to you. I'm not throwing shade your way, by the way. I'm just saying I can't see any scam with that particular stock at the moment. Alistair, good morning to you on TikTok and you. Mark R, morning to you. Billy Fan, welcome. Oscar, welcome. Let's see what the market today, if anything. Nice to get not had a good strong 3-4 column parabolic mover for a long time. So something that starts off around $3-4 and moves $3 or $4 will be fantastic. A $3 stock that goes and let's see. Did have a right. Backup healthcare triangle. See any? Couldn't see any catalyst on it. That's what's worrying about this. Oh, it's dollars. Newscast, company specific news today. Anything? Curling back up. 70 right now. Cheers, Mark. Do what Mark says. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Smash that thumbs up. Don't know where, if you can't see it because you're watching on a mobile device, just close the chat temporarily, hit the like button, and then reopen the chat. Help me out. Mess from yesterday. Allotherapy. Triangle. Last week. Partnership. Triangle. Oh. Got momentum up right now to the upside. Try to make that a few. Got great volume. That's what we're missing. One of these volume. All right. I mean, Apple is kind of sideways at the moment. It's about 6% up on the day, and glad I didn't take a strang on it because I probably wouldn't be in the money. So currently 6.2. I think it was about 6.87% would break even. So out of Apple, not to say that it would get in the money a little bit later, but I didn't take it, so. Well, if you buy enough stock there, Asker, you pay dividends. High on healthcare triangle. I don't know why. Oh. 5. Catalyst of. I'm aware. If somebody knows what the catalyst health triangle is, let me know because I can't see one. Can't see any company news. It is trading slightly higher relative volume now. Mine too, mate. Guys, 50 likes on the old YouTube and Pooch gets a treat. There's a lot of resistance around the $2 level though on the daily. Where it's at right now, a lot of resistance around this dollars. Up a couple of times, 25 to 30, but a lot of resistance around $2. Often it struggle to get over dollars often. So it's quite a bit. Not such a strong move. Often. Good day, CC. Good day to you. Right, I'll be patient, I think. Patient. But the art of doing nothing is actually a skill set in its right. When you're sat at the trading desk watching charts move, the ability to actually not react, the ability to do nothing is discipline skill set in its. So wait for that right setup. $0.10. Possible. Absolutely. Trade selection is a key part of risk management, and waiting for the right setup is also part of trade selection. You can't just take any trade that moves. Easiest way to, and even if you manage your risk, doing it that way, it very end up with death by 1,000 cuts. You know? Only takes one trade to get the right setup. That was from Wednesday though, Mike. That was earlier in the week. Looking at nothing really happened. I mean, it got a spike. The open on Wednesday. Nothing happened after that. Nothing happened yesterday. So very delayed reaction to that is the case. Not even. That's from Wednesday. Actually, that's from last week, April the 4th. Normal partnership. That's over a week ago. I don't see this week. Certainly don't see it today. Week. We're in May. That was April the 4th, a month ago. Worse. It's getting worse. The more I read it, the worse it's getting. The problem when you're dyslexic, keep rereading things to digest. Yeah, that's a month ago. That's that partnership, April the 4th. $2. Current high of day. Bottom. Right now. Oh, it's Star Wars Day tomorrow. Bit of today. Star Wars Day tomorrow. All you nerds and geeks out there. $2. That's a girl. Oh, then. Oh, this is wide open. It's double. Money shift. Yes, CC. I don't know what's going on. The audio's the same feed into TikTok as in YouTube, but for you, it seems to be a YouTube issue. I don't see anything else. TikTok's fine. Might be OBS or it might be YouTube installed. I don't know. No volume on Wide Open West. I'll tell you the anecdote of the girl that was nicknamed WoW, but it might get me kicked off the platform. So. Might go on. Nightclub in Preston, England, called Peppermint Place. Or of course, I don't know if it's still there, but it used to be called Peppermint Place nightclub. I met a girl there, and she told me her name Wow. I asked her why people call her Wow, and she had a W tattooed on each butt cheek, and when she bent over, it spelled Wow. So, maybe the audio cut out when I was telling that little anecdote. It's off TikTok. Okay, look. There we go. Is that better? That up to. I can go over 100% on this. So, see. That helps. Sometimes, sorry, I'll have to. What happens next time? It's the same mic, Nubtap. Absolutely the same mic. Oh, same input. I don't know what. It could be the OBS software, or it could be YouTube themselves. You and Alistair popping between one and the other. I'm getting dizzy. Like watching a game of tennis. No. Well, go on. Go on, girl. Go on. That's the by unemployment rate for April. Up there. By so going with it. Amazon going with it. Others will not quite follow. Yeah, it's the T triple Q spike because the triple Q spiked. Gets leverage on that. That's going to give the markets on the basis of 30 data dropping 830. I'll fall out, so you buy the market. By the spies popping up here right now. We've got non-farm payrolls, average hourly earnings for April, unemployment rate for April, unemployment rate for April, participation. So that's all just dropped at 8:30. The market making a nice liking to dollar mover. Bye. Average hourly earnings for April is less than anticipated, and there's more people unemployed for April than anticipated. Unemployment rate for April's gone up. So basically, the market likes to see people, the average Joe, getting screwed over. What they're saying. What this actually shows is that the market reaction on the market loves to see average Joe public screwed over. I'd play triangle on Apple. I might have actually got my money. Might have actually been 1%. Oh, but it could have paid out. Take it. Help me. But to show how options triangles are a very, very good strategy to play around earnings. Breaking highs. Slow yesterday until 10:30 Daniel. Well, till 10:20. Just got the one stock move. Hey, Cal. No worries, John. All missing you, that's all. Here he is. We'll have to limp on without you, buddy. Didn't all miss me that much on Wednesday when I had guests over. Labor Day. Like, we'll try, John, but you know. Oh, they're just dropping earnings. Q2 Q1 earnings, Q2 guidance. That's what opened up. Backed up. After hours last. After hours last night. Analysts, their buy ratings, or analyst ratings. That's why it's moving. Only at the moment, since only since 8:30. Right now, that'll change. Just gotta wait. Like waiting. It's Friday, Jack. Most companies try to avoid Friday from an earnings perspective. There's only one evening, but this morning. No big, not what I would say a big coffee table name, Jack. Kind of halfway through earnings season now. Iron Shell, big name already. With a few more next week. Starts to tail off, and doing it. Well, got no electricity on Sunday. Either down the beach or in the pool. Oh, it's way off the new high of day. Shift went up to 186. We've got 199 is the high of day at the moment. So another 13 cents. I mean, it's currently it's up to 180. High of day is up to $2. So it's over $2. Done with. That's much more interesting. MX. Iffy. well on Wednesday, did not yesterday, but it's really well on Wednesday, and it's held most of its gains for a day 3 run, a day 3. Quite a few starting to move on low volume now. Seems to be some issues on YouTube, John. Putting it up to 140, so that should do the job. Am I being punked here? Because looks perfectly fine to me on my system. That is back after. Fine on TikTok. Fine. So, and it's the same microphone for both. So not the hardware. It might be OBS or it might be. I don't know. Just turn up the volume on you OBS. That doesn't work on it. Would be nice, wouldn't it, John? Gone are the days where you kind of spoiled for choice pre-market. Used to like those days. We've got over 45 minutes before the bell rings. I need another 17 likes. Let's smash that thumbs up button, guys, and I can give the dog a treat. It's a little bit more entertaining than this current market, so smash that thumbs up button. Oscar, you superstar. Yeah, John, yesterday the big runner came for me. It was about 10:20, quarter past 10, past 10. And then it broke out. And it broke out, and it did break out. The run up. Poor dog's belly's rumbling. Sounds very. So, market moving up. Here moving up. All the high caps having a bit of a nice day today at the moment. That could change in an instant, of course. Yeah, that dropped to 8:30, Cal. That's why the markets are up. We had higher unemployment and average wages are down. Oh, well, they're not down. They're not up as much as anticipated. So basically, Joe Public's getting screwed by the man, and the market likes that. People are being paid less than we thought they were, and more people out of work. And yeah, the market loves that. The market loves it when it gets screwed over. Yes, absolutely, mate. Just some power, just power. Volume on. Full of power. You're having a bit of a moment. Farmers. Hard. Money. Here we go. It spiked up a little bit. Cents, 82 cents, whatever. Little penny stock, $1. Away from the top now, while AXTI is actually AXT actually kind of hold the view. Book above it, trying to hold. Volume up though. Don't like. There's some people love the penny stock. Some people love losing money on stocks. Majority of people trade those stocks. Right, the majority of people day trade lose money. Hey, warning to all of you out there thinking of day trading. More than 80% of people that try day trading full time never profitable. Actually give up within 2 years, having never. Yeah, that's why I have my floor at $2, John. That kind of sub $1 range, it behaves different to the $1 to $2, and that behaves different to the $2 plus. Once you get to $2, things start to behave a little bit more predictably. All that it's static best. To be $3, but then the reason it was $3 was when I first started trading, that was minimum I could get leverage on. With egg was $3. That became my floor. Then they moved the bar to $5. So there's no reason for me not to trade that window of $2 anymore. So yeah. A lot of them have just gone through various offerings, garbage companies get up to like dollars, and they'll hit the market with secondary offering, get some offers, some lights on. A lot of those garbage full price stocks, that's all they do. Then they'll do reverse stock split 12 months later just to maintain NASDAQ compliance or SEC compliance or whatever. They don't get downlisted onto the pink sheets, and then they repeat the process, rinse and repeat. Yeah, absolutely, CC. Getting those penny stocks, really, not just commissions, but ECN fees as well. In fact, my ECN fees always end up on my. Exactly, Cal. Exactly. I am talking about HCI. gets over $2 and holds. Got a high day of 199. Very psych. Quarter, half, and whole dollars are psychological levels, but the lower the price, the more psychological they are. Whole dollars are psychological levels across the board. So, yeah. Those days, I guess, a very tranquil Friday. Friday's trading. Pre-market is tepid. I think the best description of the pre-market today is tepid. Don't mind this one. I just volume on it. XTI earnings play from yesterday. No volume. Volume's all right up. All right, when we're getting ETFs popping the scanners. I prefer the earlier kickoff, Alistair. Earlier the kickoff, the better for me. I know the club like that's what I do. But hope that Spurs play like they did against Chelsea or Arsenal. Awful. Want to play like prime Barcelona against us, like a lot of teams tend to do. Oh no, not NBA. I give over watching it. Just as bad as, almost as bad as football. It's hopping. One that claims LeBron James better than Gordon. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I prefer the earlier kick. Talking about basketball, though, talking about the NBA. LeBron James would not have the numbers he's got if he played in categorically. He wouldn't have been able to hack it, Gordon and the rest in there. What annoys me now is the refs don't know the rules, and it's worse than VAR. Since when did traveling stop being an offence? It's like if you're a big name in the NBA, you're allowed to travel. That's a new rule. And the flopping has just got out of control. It really has. And these guys are all like 7 feet 17 and all weighing about 350 pounds, and somebody sneezes in row Z and they fall over. I'm like, come on, you're big guys. That just flopping's just got out of control. Well, I hope you do and push Man United further down the table, Alistair. Oh, stop. There's too many. Icon. Well, we're coming up to the top of the hour. Hopefully, we'll get a news drop. We usually get a news drop. Top and bottom of the hour, we usually get a bunch of news drops. And hopefully, we'll get a news drop at the top of the hour that will poke the market into a bit of action. Interesting UFC fights this week. Interesting boxing match. I'll be watching it. Combat sports. Let's talk combat sport. UFC matches on. Anybody interested in the UFC? We watch it. Over here in the Philippines, the big one is MMA is on. One champion, very popular. Kind of number two. If you're in Ireland, the Bellator was starting to, and the UK, Bellator was starting to take hold. Is there any decent UFC matchups this week? Oh. Yeah, Rab, I've been having that the whole time. Don't know why. I could put the mic there and everybody would be very happy, but I wouldn't because I wouldn't be able to try it. Just have to make do. Not open. Okay. I don't like using a headset. It's warm, it's sweaty, and forget that. Who's fighting though? See? I've already done that, Philly. Already done that. Turned it up already. But it's not the mic, because if it was the mic, I would be having the same issue on TikTok, and it's fine on TikTok. It's either OBS or YouTube itself. So, right. 150% now on the old OBS. It's probably OBS then, Rob. Probably OBS. Yeah, Mike, that's all down to that those unemployment numbers. volume. Safe and Green Holdings subsidiary to deliver an eco-friendly modular unit to prominent quick service restaurant customer. That's popped up quite large. If I wanted the break to $1, right? Change on the Feds. Probably it. What I say usually is just noise. Maybe I'm just sitting. Maybe I've got the fan on the mic and that's what it is. Over. Rest of the half done. Or we bounce on. Nice, nice. You don't overgo. Makes us overgo. We'll talk devil horns on multiple time frames, and that's that width. On both occasions there, mate. Caught the bounce on the VWAP and sold the top twice. It is, John. It is at the moment. Well, that takes me substantially over goal. And it only takes the one trade. That's what I'm saying. It only takes the one trade. That one trade alone would have taken me over goal. So we'll stick around. There might be something else moving yet. But yeah, I can be more. I can afford to be even more patient now. Getting. No worries, Alistair. You can't catch them all. It's not Pokemon. Wind blowing on corners. Right, 8 more likes. We've got over 20 minutes before the bell rings. I need 8 more people to smash the thumbs up button. My dog is looking at me wanting one of these little treats. So today's thing is sponsored by Ezu Meat Jerky dog treats. So it's not really, but Ezu Meat Jerky people. If you want to sponsor me, I'm open to sponsorship. Well, Miyako's certainly open to sponsorship. Send me some of these meat jerky products and we'll push them for you, yeah? Yeah, let's get 7 more likes and I'll give the dog a treat. Well, I'm in the direct path of the air conditioner. It's not pointing at the mic, so let me know if that's changed at all. I'm just right. Um, 1,000, Jack. Until I don't mind your say old dog. I mean, he's a fat, but aren't they all? I'll take a look at that later. Okay, fair play, Alistair. Norman Collier it is. up. Volume. Double home. No worries, Shift. Thank you very much. Morning, Stephen. How you doing, buddy? It is, but it's a big milestone to get over that $2 barrier there, Mike. So keeping an eye on it at the open, but don't expect big. Right now, EBS is probably the one that's looking the strongest open right. That's not great. On the top of the surging scanners, but yeah, no shift. It might do. Like I said, that $2 is a big barrier. It's a psychological level as well as fiscal level. At $2 level, it got rejected at $2. It didn't make it up on the second attempt. Didn't even make it to dollars. 90s. So get an influx of volume. We'll see. True, John. Urgent Bio. This went up to 475 yesterday. This is the one that I traded at the open that got me off. Well, not at the open, after 10 o'clock. This is about 10.20. Up all the way up. Okay. Nice move. $1.75 or whatever. All the way back down. I'm not interested that much on the daily, Mike, in terms of the patterns and breakouts. And the daily's just there to give indication of whether there is confirmed support resistance levels. We're looking for something that's got intraday momentum, not looking for something that's going to trend over multiple days. Because let's face it, not many stocks are doing that at the moment outside of the S&P 500. A lot of these that will have 3 days in the sunlight and then disappear for months. Don't end up on the pink sheet. Yeah, I was saying that yesterday, John. I remember trading it down at like $20 and $30 not too long ago. Days. Oh, we've got the else, guys. Yes, now we're absolutely, John. Turning it down dollars last year. Trading this run up in the summer. $10.21 there. Obviously, not loud. Like highs 360 quite recently. 2022. Dollars. Yeah. Hold it for the last year, you'd be absolutely buying into $50 tissues, $50 tissues. Do take another trade today. Probably just all that. Bubble lights. All catalyst. Automatic global class B, downgraded to rating, downgrade. All I'm seeing, any company specific on Paramount today. Had earnings yesterday. Also 26 yesterday. Only in a follow. yesterday. That's why it spiked up this afternoon. I'll see anything new. Okay. Right. Relative. Hang on. Oh. Goals, financing. For the financing to strengthen the balance sheet, approximately 50 million. That affecting Hurricane. Normally Aurora would a big range. $0.04 on gold. Excited about. We've got 6.5 minutes and the market opens. Yes, so Wednesday when I had the guests over there, Alistair, it was a national holiday. They have more holidays than all kinds of holidays, local holidays, regional holidays, and all. So Wednesday was Labour Day here. That's why I got to know about that the same day. May Day on Monday. Okay. Same in. Oh. May Day for in the Memorial Day when it's the next market holiday is the 27th of May, which is Memorial Day, and it's got Juneteenth and of course US Independence Day. So end of May we've got a holiday here. Right here. Minutes. Counting. Up, up. Excellent. That's the 3-minute warning from the broker. Got 90 seconds. Anna's open regular session. Yes. Guys, market. You wish get him. Okay. 5 minutes in, almost. 5-minute candle in the next 30 seconds. And we'll see what market looks like. Nice scanners. Right, volume. Volume. Big gap. Big gap for close to $7. It's 70. Remember. $5. Just on $5. 5.30. Right now. Right. Level. $5. Five away. Five. Stops me. There's 20. Acting up. Oh, I just got stopped out on the sides level. That's fine. 17. Oh. Okay, so 2x gold now. I had my trailing stop. I cancelled it. I wanted to get, as it was approaching the halt level, I wanted to actually scale in, get another trailing stop in place for kind of braced. Hit a new low here. That was the exit. It's back over $60. We'll for an entry. Dollars. That's a full dollar move. That's now. You're breaking her. Oh no. $27K and it was started with A. B. Over 20. 531. I moving up to test $4. It's the there you go. I've been stuck, that's why. While we're at it, let's give the dog a treat. Oh, you that one. Yeah. You say hi to Miyako. Oh, Miyako. Yes, thank you. Not at the moment, there, Peanuts. But I might do one for Memorial Day at the end of the month, if there's enough interest. I'll start running a Memorial Day special next week, end of the month. May Day special on Monday. Over $4. I broke that pre-market high. would have wanted to dollars, but uh, expected dollars for the second attempt. Back now. Happen. $20. $420, $420. Get $420 on the bid. We'll get $420 on the bid. $20 on the bid. Off. Certainly is, Ryan. Oh, like no, AXTI is portable. Hard to borrow, so no, not really. You'd have to pay for locate. It's hard to borrow on C. I didn't give it any thought because I'm not in a country that has May Day bank holiday peanuts. So oh, got out at the right time on that one. Doing it actually the day my timing was wide off. I have been selling right at the top all the time. Times, 2.5 times gold meat for me, Mike. So we're both happy, buddy. I'll Friday, so I'm not going to push my much. Wrap it up in 8 minutes. Top of the hour. Monday was red for me. 3 days, then a red on Monday. Days up. Nice. This is green day number 4. Like consistency setting back. That's the case as the count increases. For my sizing, I think that increases target on daily. Right. I think 2,000 next week, and then if I have a consistently good week next week, that increase. Good stuff, Nexus. Good goal. You know, hitting goal. Day at goal is always a good day. Look at the S&P 500. Hey, out of sight, smashing off over that pre-market high. Oh, wrong market looks like, right. Like $5. He projected at $5 pre-market, remember? Oh. Same place, so $5. Back to see. Up in place there. Not there at all. Oh, where is mate? $140. Is what it is. Stuff Vegas. Stuff. Back up. Right here. 5 minutes. Flag tell. Can somebody kick collector? We don't do pump and dumps on this channel. In fact, I'll do it myself. Sorry, collector, you just we don't do pump and dump crap on this channel. So if you want to stay on the channel, that's your warning. Move that, but that's your warning. Again, you'll get banned. Sorry to hear that, Tom. Again next week, absolutely. Keep it small. Stick to the principle. Well, I think I'm going to knock it on the head, guys. I will enjoy your weekends, everybody. And I will see you guys on Monday, same place, same time. And we'll do it all again. So 7 o'clock for the scanners, 8 o'clock for live day trading with Tony. And I hope you guys all have a fantastic weekend. Remember, before you go, check out the Day Trade with Tony education platform in the link tree. You can find that in the description on YouTube, or you can find it in the chat, or you can find it my link tree on in my profile on TikTok. Also, if you want to find stocks to trade, check out Benzinga. That's what I've been using, what the scanners are up today. So in the meantime, everybody, take it easy, and I'll see you all on Monday.